What is going on, guys? Good morning. Today is going to be a great day because the car is finally getting a little bit louder. Finally, this thing sounds like a straight up vacuum cleaner. So it's around 20 degrees right now in New Hampshire. I'm going to get a cold start of the stock exhaust, and we're going to be comparing today with the new exhaust. So, yeah, let's get behind this vacuum. So yeah, as you can tell, the car clearly needs an exhaust because it's not loud at all. It needs one bad. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I am way more than excited. It's going to be the longest school day of my entire life. But yeah, I'm so ready. It's been a while.
2,000 years later.
All right, I am back. We are driving to my house right now. That was one of the longest days of school I've ever had in my entire life. I am way more than excited to put this exhaust on. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be hanging out with some of my friends. We are going to go put the GoPro on the back of the stock exhaust, hear the stock vacuum one more time, because the next time you hear it, she'll be a little bit louder. Alright, so we just got some clips of the ST with the stock exhaust, the GoPro. I don't know if they're really bad and just a bunch of wind, but here is the brand new MBRP CATBACK exhaust. Alright, so Nick is leaving. Bye-bye. And we just put the exhaust in the car. Crazy Civic. So we just put the MBRP CATBACK exhaust in the car. I am so excited, guys. I cannot explain to you how excited I am. Let's do this. Let's close the hatch. Let's get on the road. Alright, so just dropped off the Focus. Before we know it, this thing will be sounding way better. I cannot wait. Haven't looked at the exhaust at all yet. Yo! Oh, those are cannons! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we are gonna press film on this. We are recording right now on my phone. We are now recording on this. We're gonna get inside the car. We're gonna get our initial reaction. Here we go. Oh, oh my god, it's actually not loud. Wow, this sounds good. Wow, that sounds really, really good. Alright, so there's an underpass right here. We're gonna give her a little bit of the beans. I'm so excited. Here we go. I hope this light turns green. And give her the juice. Oh, it's a lot louder than it was, I'll tell you that. Wow, this thing sounds good. Alright. I'm pretty sure the last point I filmed was filming the cold start at night. I believe so. I just got back from school. I am going to throw the GoPro on the back of the car so we can get some sounds from that. Sorry this video's been all over the place. It's been like the past 3 days because I've had work right after school, and then when I get out of work, I don't have any time to film because it's all dark outside. So we're gonna do it now before I have to go to work. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Throw the GoPro on the back, and we're gonna get some sounds. The exhaust is an MBRP CATBACK exhaust for the 2014 Ford Focus ST. I really, really like it. However, it needs to be louder. Well, for my taste anyways. I think it'd be a little bit nicer if it was a little bit louder, but also I just got the exhaust, so it needs time to break in. So yeah, let's get it started. So we were recording on the phone, we were recording with the camera. You can see the camera right there. Got our gauges going. Our oil temp's at 177, so we are okay to push the car a little bit. There's an underpass coming up, so I might give her a little juice there. Hopefully we'll get some sound from the exhaust. So yeah, let's get it. So, I really like the exhaust. I don't know if you guys can hear it. All the windows are rolled up, but it's a very nice sounding exhaust. It's not too loud. My dad described it as not obnoxious, which I agree with. It definitely is not obnoxious, but I'm a 17-year-old kid and I'm trying to have some fun, so obviously I'm gonna want it a little bit louder. I mean, if I get on it just a little bit, do a little downshift, and then I mean, like, it sounds good, but it could be a little bit louder for my taste.